Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bella, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this matcha green tea body butter. Now this body butter is just amazing because it is not greasy at all. And you know, usually working with butters or oils, you usually get that greasy feel, but with this recipe, not so much. So let's get right into it. The ingredients I used for this recipe are shea butter, kokum butter, avocado oil, olive oil, essential oils like peppermint, tea tree, and lemongrass, of course, matcha green tea powder. I'm going to be weighing out my recipe in grams. I know, crazy, right? I'm actually weighing out my recipe. So I'm going to be using these scales. I actually recorded this video a couple months ago, but I'm just now posting it. If you want to know the reason, go watch my Thanksgiving vlog. This is one of my first products that I actually formulated myself and wrote out in percentages. So when you first start formulating products, you need to write it in percentages and they all need to come out to 100%. Then you can convert that into grams or ounces or whatever you want to weigh out your recipe in. Currently, I am definitely more advanced and I am way past body butters, so stay tuned. In my description down below, I will write down all the ingredients and the formulation. But in this formulation, I used 20 grams of matcha powder and it came out extremely green. It did leave just a little bit of a tint, so if you're a lighter skin, then it probably will leave a noticeable tint. So I would recommend using 5 to 10 grams of matcha powder. After melting down all my butters, I put it in the freezer, and now I am weighing out my oils. After leaving it in the freezer for a couple of minutes, I took it out and added my oils. Then I mixed it up and plopped it back in the freezer. After about 5 minutes, I took it out and mixed it up again until it was to the consistency that I liked. The unfortunate thing about working with all natural butters is it does harden up. But if you don't mind that, then it's okay because it just melts with the contact of skin. I made enough butter to fit this 8-ounce mason jar. In the description, it will have all the details of how I made this butter and the percentages, also the grams. Matcha has numerous benefits, including anti-aging, and it helps fight acne. So if you have chest acne or back knee, it does just that. Shea butter has become super popular nowadays, so I'm not even gonna talk too much about it. Just know it has amazing moisturizing properties. Kokum butter is not too well known, but it should be because it's amazing. It has that moisturizing properties, but it is not greasy at all. It is just amazing. I mostly use lemongrass essential oil because it smells just like tea. Well, it can be used in tea, and it smells so amazing. By the way, all of these ingredients can be swapped out for other ingredients. For instance, if you don't have kokum butter, because it's kind of hard to find, you can easily swap it out for mango butter or even add more shea butter. As you can see, the butter does not leave that shiny film on your skin and it absorbs super fast. It can be used for hands, for your body, for your nails, even for your hair. If you do give this butter a try, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you thought about it. Well, that's the end of this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. And if you're not subscribed already, I would like to know why. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.